You have your daddy right beside you. You don't need anything more in this world. Jeremiah, Maya, Jeremiah. I have one. Oh, show it to me. The white. Yeah. This guy. Alright, good night everyone. So we're in our new place. Shanika is working on organizing and stuff. We went to IKEA today and we got some stuff. But in the meantime, you know, we still have to continue life like normal. So we have to be putting these kids to bed and feeding them and doing all of these things in this place that is relatively still very chaotic. Anyways, I decided just to do a simple nighttime routine with you for Mr. Jeremiah. I have not finished building his crib already as yet, so for now he's gonna be staying in the bed with us until hopefully tomorrow. I will be able to. Okay, Maya. Thank you, Papa. Until maybe tomorrow I'll be able to finish building this crib, and then I'll have to go to either Walmart or back to IKEA to see if I can grab a mattress for his crib. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty difficult to get this boy to bed because he's on like 1,000% tonight. Maya, bedtime, dumpling. Bedtime. Let's go. Ready to sing? Jesus wants Jeremiah for a sunbeam to shine for him each day. Maya. In every way Jeremiah will please him. At home, at school, at play. A sunbeam. A sunbeam. Jesus wants Jeremiah for a sunbeam. A sunbeam, a sunbeam. I'll be a sunbeam for him. Alright, so very, very important. One of my most important tools for bedtime for both Jeremiah and Mr. Levi: extra virgin olive oil and sunflower oil. No, this is very key, especially when you're dealing with kids Levi's age that put anything in their mouth, that jump from any surface and climb on anything. You see, when you get a bottle of olive oil and you allow the saints of God to jump around it and lay their hands on it and consecrate it, and then you apply this oil to the forehead of your child, I'm telling you, it works wonders. So we're going to be experimenting tonight if the power that was transferred to this bottle of extra virgin olive oil can or will be able, you know, to assist me in getting this boy to bed. Right? Right, dumpling? Right, daddy, you don't put olive oil on the baby? In the name of Jesus. Thank you for him, Lord. Prayer time. Lord, I just want to thank you for Jeremiah. Thank you for the day that he had. Thank you that he's in good health, that he's strong. I pray, Lord, that you'll give him a restful sleep tonight. I know he's all over the place right now, but I rebuke restlessness, and I pray that you'll cause him to calm all the way down, Lord Jesus. Come, Maya, calm all the way down. Ooh. And cause him to be restful. Now that we've prayed, now that you pray, what you have to do now is put him to bed by faith. You understand? Because the prayer work and the olive oil work. Come Maya, no, bedtime. Bedtime. No, bedtime. You're the only one that is up. Nice boy. You have your daddy right beside you. You don't need anything more in this world. Jeremiah. Maya. Jeremiah. Look at me for about the Oliver Church and I'm jump on it. He's not usually this we call it no. He's usually, you know, he usually goes to bed very easily. But I think with all that has been going on, I don't know if he can sense the I don't want to call it chaos, but I don't know if he can sense the disorder that is around him. And myself and Shanika, we've been up very late hours, very late in the mornings, just trying to pack out stuff and to, you know, get things all organized. So I don't know if it's a case where he can sense the chaos or the craziness. Come, Papa. No, man, you have to try, man. Don't make Jesus displeased with you. Bedtime. Bedtime. All babies gone to bed at this hour. Bedtime. Maya, no. Jesus wants Jeremiah for a sunbeam to shine for him each day. Jesus wants Jeremiah for a sunbeam. A sunbeam. Oh my God. And then inevitably comes the puke. Oh, but I'm not super shit. Oh my God. Hey, you. I have one. Oh. Show it to me. The wipes. Yeah. You get out the puke. Get out the puke. I know. You know what you need to do? You need to go to bed. You see, you want them to reach to this place. So when he reaches to this place now, all you do, you take the soother, you put him in the correct sleeping position. Nice boy. You take the soother. Take the soother, Papa. Nice boy. And then all you do now is gently pat the bum, and that should take them. Nice boy, nice sugar dumpling. I know, dumpling wants to go to bed. I know, sweet dumpling baby. I know. Yes. Tell daddy to stop the talking, daddy. I want to go to bed. Shh. Jesus wants Jeremiah for him. In every way, Jeremiah will please him. At home, at school. You see this guy, he takes out the soda out of his mouth and then he gets upset that it's out of his mouth. At home, at school, at play. You see? Jesus wants you for a sunbeam, eh? You have to surrender everything and go. Surrender yourself completely. Not what I wish to be, nor where I wish to go. For who am I that I should choose my way? The Lord will choose for me. That's right, just surrender. That's it. Alright, so Jeremiah is completely out right now. We're gonna be getting some rest ourselves, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you incorporate those tips. God bless.